I want to properly secure the actual template to the frame. And I do that so that when I'm marking it, it's not slipping or sliding on me. Next, we're going to mark the template as we prepare to cut in the electric strike. So I'm going to be marking around the template itself, and then I'm going to be adding an extension line on top of that template. So I've got an additional guide that's going to help me with my tools as I'm cutting the frame itself. The next step now is to measure across the wall approximately 2.5 inches from my center line, just beyond the stud wall. Next, I'm going to connect the data and power cable from the card reader to my green wires so I can pull them through the wall and into the strike pocket. As you can see now, I'm getting ready to pull out the wire, and we have approximately 13 inches of wire in the back of the reader to work with when we pull it through the wall.